So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can download videos from the Threads app, an app which is recently launched by Instagram, and many people are searching the method to download photos and especially videos from this app. Now for downloading the video from Threads, for example, if we have a video here, you have to first of all press this airplane button available under the video. So tap on this airplane. Next, you have to press the third option in this list, which is copy link. So tap on copy link, and after that you have to close the Threads app and go to Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser that you use. And after that, go to Google and type in here Threads video downloader online and hit the search button. And here different sites will appear up. You can open any of the websites from here. For example, if I go with the very first website, here in this box you have to paste the link that we have just copied of the video. After pasting the link, just press the submit button, and after that video will be fetched from Threads, and from here you can just press the download button and it will be saved or downloaded into your gallery if you are on Android. But if you are on iPhone, the method for saving the video will be a little bit different. You have to do the same process by not going into Google Chrome or Safari. You have to download this app here named Documents from App Store. So after downloading Documents, you have to open it, and after that you have to open its browser by tapping on this button available in the bottom right corner. From here you have to go into Google and repeat the same process that I have just mentioned. You have to type in here Threads video downloader and open any website and download using the browser of this app. So in this way the video will be saved into your gallery if you are on iPhone. So that's how you do it. If you have any of the questions or confusions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.